Hello, license holders. Let's take a look at how to edit a usage report. After you've added a title to a usage report, you can still make some changes. To change the number of uses, type of uses, or the week for which the title is reported, please click the pencil icon. A dialog box will pop up, and you can make those edits by clicking on the field that you would like to change. Once you've made the edits, click Submit Edit. To delete a title from a usage report, click on the trash can icon. A dialog box will pop up asking you to confirm that you would like to delete this title. Simply click Delete, and the title will be removed from your report. If you require further assistance, please contact our team either by logging into your OneLicense account or by emailing us directly at info@onelicense.net. Like and follow for more helpful tutorials and videos, and comment here to let us know what other topics you'd like to learn about. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X pages for more of the latest from OneLicense.